Ever wondered how to start saving money? The very first step is to set a clear goal. Think about what you want to achieve with your savings. Is it a shiny new gadget, a dream vacation, or perhaps a nest egg for your golden years? It's essential to have a specific objective in mind because it serves as a potent motivator. It's the beacon that keeps your financial journey on track. Remember, a clear goal is a motivating factor. Now that you have a clear goal, it's time to budget for savings. The first step towards a successful saving plan is understanding where your money comes from and where it goes. By keeping track of your income and expenses, you can see the bigger picture of your financial situation. It's like a financial roadmap that gives you direction and control over your money. Start by noting down all sources of income, from your main job to side gigs and every bit of money that comes your way. Then, detail your expenses. From rent and groceries to entertainment and unexpected costs, leave nothing out. This exercise will help you identify unnecessary expenditures and areas where you can cut back. Once you've got a handle on your income and expenses, you can determine how much money you can realistically set aside for savings each month. Remember, every little bit counts. Budgeting helps you see where your money goes and how much you can save. Don't be discouraged if you can't save a large amount right away. Start small. The idea is to create a habit. Saving even as little as $1 a day can make a significant impact over time. Think about it. That's $30 a month, $365 a year. It's not about the amount you start with, it's about consistency and gradually increasing your savings as you can. So take that small step today. Remember, small steps lead to big savings. One of the easiest ways to save is to automate it. Consider the convenience of automatic transfer systems offered by many banks. With this system in place, a predetermined amount of your money is transferred to your savings account on a regular schedule. It's like having your own personal savings assistant who never forgets or gets distracted. This method ensures you are consistently saving without even having to think about it. Automating your savings ensures consistency without the hassle. Not all savings accounts are created equal. Choose wisely. The importance of choosing a savings account cannot be overstated. Look for one with high interest rates and low fees to get the most out of your money. A high-interest savings account can help your money grow faster. But don't just stop there. Consider term deposits as well. They typically offer higher interest rates than a regular savings account. Remember, every penny counts. Choosing the right savings account maximizes your savings potential. Saving money often means spending less. Be smart with your purchases. Consider the necessity before you buy. Do you really need that new gadget, or is it just a want? Also, find ways to cut daily costs. For example, cooking at home can be a healthier and more economical choice compared to eating out. It's about making conscious decisions that favor your savings goal. So, next time you're about to swipe that card, pause and think. Remember, every penny not spent is a penny saved. Don't forget to keep track of your savings progress. It's crucial to regularly monitor and record your journey towards financial goals. This not only gives you a clear picture of where you stand, but also serves as a powerful motivator. Seeing your savings grow bit by bit can be incredibly satisfying and can encourage you to stick with your plan. So, whether it's a simple notebook or a fancy app, choose a method that works for you and start tracking. Remember, tracking progress keeps you motivated and on target. In today's digital age, there are tools that can help you manage your money better. Financial management apps are a game changer. These apps allow you to track your spending, set savings goals, and even alert you when you're nearing your budget limit. They're like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. Some apps also offer the ability to link various bank accounts, providing a holistic view of your financial health. So, why not leverage technology to help you manage your finances? Want to make saving more fun? Try a saving challenge. These are creative ways to encourage your saving habits. You can find various challenges online, like the No Spend Challenge, where you avoid unnecessary purchases for a month, or the 52-week money challenge, where you save an increasing amount each week. Or you can create your own personalized challenge. Maybe it's saving every $5 bill you receive, or putting away the cost of that daily coffee you decided to skip. Challenge yourself and make saving fun. Finally, don't forget to reward yourself when you reach your saving goals. You see, the journey of saving is a marathon, not a sprint. Along the way, it is crucial to celebrate the milestones you achieve. These rewards, whether it's a small treat or a mini vacation, serve as positive reinforcement, reminding you of the fruits of your discipline and perseverance. It's a beautiful cycle, really. The more you save, the more you can reward yourself. Remember, rewards keep you motivated to save more.